This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 99 of Building Kit from Knight Rider. In this issue, we are starting on the back bumper. After, of course, looking through the episodes, The Scent of Roses Part 1. Who's come back from the dead before. Okay. Again, no memory of any of these season 4 episodes. Very strange. I don't know. I know I've seen them all, but I just don't remember them in the slightest. None of the pictures doing anything for me at all. There we go. Right, so yes, this is what we got. We've got the rear bumper. I've already disconnected the light from the main assembly. So we'll be putting that together onto there and then fitting it to the bumper, and that's about it. A quick, easy build today. Catherine Hickland. The Stephanie. Evie Mason. Not entirely certain. Can't remember that at all. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. So here we have the parts. I've already disconnected the light from there, so we've got that. We've got the plastic bumper. It does the job. It's fine. A couple of screws, sticker, and the bit that we're going to fix the bulb into. So this is going to fit in there. That way round. The other way round by the looks of it. The bulb actually comes out. Bit like so. Then that is fitted to the top here. So the bulb will shine downwards onto the number plate. So that on there, we've got 2 BP screws to use to hold it in place. Open from the correct side makes life much easier. Oh, this is the first of today's deliveries, and already proving to be challenging. Get that open. I don't know where the opening is, but it's just not having it. Come on, there we go. That's got the sticker unstuck. So 2 of these screws to come out. There we go. Keep that spare side for later. Put that in there. That way up, just like that. In there. Oh, yeah. Great times ahead. Let's get this done. That one in there with the screw going through there and into there. That's better. I get that one down enough to hold it not tight but secure, so it's not going to wobble around the other end while I'm trying to put that other screw in. And that's the other screw in. Put them both down. And that will be the bulb good to go. One more thing to do. We've got the sticker to put in place. It needs to have this going off that side. Let's bend that over a little bit. Make sure there's enough room there. It doesn't really say exactly where to put it, but we'll just have it pointing in the right direction. A bit like that. Ready to be plugged back in. So there we have it, another issue done. Thank you very much for joining me. Join me soon when we're going to be putting in the number plate next time. Other than that, there's other part works happening in the between times. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.